Welcome back guys to my channel. Today we are in Macedonia in Ohrid and I'm gonna show you some water over here and stuff. Yeah, there's some cool things over there and we're going down now. So I'm gonna show you the little river here. It's quite good in here. Yeah. This is my friend Darin. Hey, say hello. Just on whatever. Hello. Okay, so going down now. What? Ooh, can you see that waterfall over there? And there, what you doing over here? and he's ill, guys. Let's go.
He's robot.
You can't speak English, boy. You need to learn. First, you need to learn English. Then you need to make a video with me, and then you need to watch the waterfalls. How beautiful are they? Hello, what's your name?
Why are you asking me? You already know that.
Sorry. I'll promise. Shut up. Shut up. Whoa. Oh, we have to go there, guys.
Right.
Oh. I'll start the video, I will skip, and I will show you some other waterfalls. Okay? Bye. Skip. Ow! Damn! Son, look at these waterfalls there. One over there, 2, 3, 4. But this and this are quite small, but there's a canal over there. I think so, baby. I'll skip the video right now. Skip. Hello guys, this is my friend Mikael. Yeah.
MT Gaming.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel. They are all of my friends and all of my waterfalls. And this is the restaurant, but I think we're not gonna go in here. Just over here in this part. But
Let's go down.
yeah, let's go down. Boom.
Where are we?
In Ohrid, Macedonia. Guys, these are the waterfalls here. I'm nearly. Whoa, God, this is actually loud. Man, damn, son. I'll skip. Hello guys, it's been a while and I need to sit down and chill some time. Waterfalls, guys. How beautiful are they? They're amazing. Skipping! Oh! How much waterfalls are here? Anyway, by the way, we're in excursion, so from school. And I have a package in the bus, but you can't see it. It's quite far. Pepsi stuff and Coca-Cola stuff. And hello. How are you? Good. Yes. Thank you very much. So I'm going on the mass here. I will show you this thing over here. Yeah, cool.
Go there.
Yeah. That's our security man. Right over there. Yeah, and he told us not to go over here, but it's cool, guys. I think the water is cold. We can't
It's so
swim.
beautiful.
Yeah, but the water is cold, right?
Yeah.
So we can't swim. That's pretty awkward, actually. We have to go there. We have to go on that mass. Okay, guys, I'm going to sit here, and this is the beautiful waterfalls and the restaurant over here. Yeah, that thing over there is kind of huge. Yes. Oh. What? What, my friend? What?
Oh.
Okay. Okay. How are you, my friend? Are you good?
Yeah, good man.
Good. Now here are the waterfalls and stairs and going up and is this vlog good or what?
Coca-Cola.
Why Coca-Cola? What?
That's the
Kind of like I'm like Minecraft now. I'm holding a Coca-Cola and I'm bowling. But that's not true.
Fuck you, bitches.
So that was the worst plan ever, guys. I'm not proud of him. Look at him. That guy over there. That guy.
There you can.
What? Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Skipping some videos, but I think the video is 6 minutes, guys. Vlog with 6 minutes. I will skip some. Look at that bus over there. Look at the fish, guys. Oh, how cute are they? But I can't see their face, so it's kind of like, whoa, how much? What the hell? Oh, you're using a tablet? What? Okay, so what? What do you want from me? There are some fish over here too, but I think you can't see them. You can't see only this fish. So there are the fish. When we go here, we eat them. So
Kill one. And gonna eat.
yeah, if we kill some fish, they kill for us. We pay some money and then we eat the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, with what, man? Yeah, with that grabbing fish thing over there. Just that stick thing. And okay, guys, so this is where I'm gonna end this waterfall vlog video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you like Macedonia and Ohrid, and
Everything.
go here if you want.
So beautiful.
It's a beautiful place, yeah.
But just in Ohrid.
Yeah, but just in Ohrid. So hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you don't subscribe it. Like this video.
Back to my channel.
MT Gaming, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.